Hello guys, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is reports in Salesforce. So what is report? A report is a collection of data that is filtered and displayed in a tabular, summary or matrix format, allowing users to analyze trends, measure performance and make data-driven decisions. Reports are summarized information of an object and displayed in rows and columns. It can be customized using filters, groupings, and charts. Reports are the list of records that meet certain criteria we define. Every report is stored in a folder, and folder can have public, hidden, or shared and can be set to read only or read write mode. Out of the box, Salesforce provides many useful report types. Report type specifies on which object, field, and set of data we are creating the report. Report type in Salesforce. So these are standard report type and custom report type. Standard report type, it is more like report templates. It is created by Salesforce on both standard and custom objects. Standard reports are the pre-built reports provided by the Salesforce. Custom report type, it is created by the users as per the business requirement. This gives us access to custom objects and custom views of S objects. Types of report. So these are basically tabular report, summary report, matrix report and joint report. So what are tabular reports? It is summarized information in a table. This will return the list of records which are meeting the filter criteria in the form of tables. Summary report, it summarizes the information based on certain fields. Displays the report row-wise grouping records based on fields. Matrix report summarizes information in two-dimensional manner. Report is column-wise and row-wise grouping of records. Joint report summarizes information in different blocks for an object and related object. We can join two or more report types and form a single report. It is called joint report. Note: maximum grouping for tabular, summary and matrix is 3. We can create maximum 5 blocks for joint reports. What are the benefits of reports? Real-time insights. It provides up-to-date data that helps in immediate decision making. Customization. Tailored views meet the unique needs of different teams. Collaboration. Easily share reports with team members or stakeholders. Actionable data. Drill down into specific records directly from reports. So today's assignment is, a sales manager wants to analyze the performance of their sales team by viewing the opportunity revenue generated by each sales representative over the last month. So in a company there is a sales manager. He wants to analyze the performance of his team by viewing the opportunity revenue. So what the revenue he is getting, and it is getting generated by each sales representative for the last month. So let's create a report on the opportunity that is going to display the last month data for each sales representative. So let's do this. So let's log into our Salesforce account by providing the user credentials. Hit the login button. So let's open any application. So here I am going with our employee management system application, what we had created earlier. In this application we are seeing so many standard objects as well as custom objects. So let's put this report into this tab bar. So click on this pencil icon, and from here we have to add more items. So click all, search for report, click plus, add a nav item, click save. So in the more option we are seeing the reports. Just click on this. So in order to create a report, click on new report. So here we are finding the category, and there are recent used, all, accounts and contacts, opportunities, custom support reports, lead campaigns. So these are all inbuilt reports. So let's go with opportunities as per our assignment. Click on opportunities. Again, from the report type name, this is a standard report. So let's choose opportunities. So at the right side we are seeing opportunities standard report type, and here we are getting the details, fields. So let's click on start report. At the left side we are seeing the outline, group, then group rows. Below that we are seeing the columns. So these are the columns what we are seeing here. These are visible here. So owner role. So owner role we are seeing opportunity owner, opportunity owner. So if I don't want the owner role, simply I need to remove this column. So if I am removing this, it is getting removed from this palette as well. Also we have to switch update preview automatically, this one, and here we are not seeing that particular field. So as per the assignment we have to create a report on opportunities for the opportunities last month data. So here we are seeing the filters. So just click on these filters, and here show me all opportunities. Okay. Close date. So we need the data of last month. So what we need to do here, click on this close date and filter by close date. Date is close date, and a range we have to go with customize range. So click on this customize, and here I am going with start date. So current month is November month, and before that October. So we have to choose October, and end month I am going with October 31st. So this report is pulling the data of October month. So let's click on apply, and opportunity status. So we need to choose the opportunity status is closed one. So apply this one as well. So here the report what we are seeing, opportunity owner. Also I am going to group the data by opportunity owner. So group rows by this field opportunity owner. So by this opportunity owner there is two opportunities. That stage is closed one, and physical period is quarter 4 2024. Amount is this one, expected revenue is this one, probability, close date, created date, next step, lead source and type. If we need to add some more fields here, or we need to remove the fields from here, we can do as well. So coming to outline, if I don't want to see the account name for this opportunity, so we can remove from here. So it is removed from here. So finally we need to click on save and run. So here I am providing the report name, sales performance. And it is going to store in private folder report. Also we can select our folder as well. So up to now I think I had not created any folder. So I am going with private folder itself. So click cancel, click save. So our sales performance report is created, and it is containing these two records. So it's done. Thank you.